So I wanted to go over the difference between gambling and taking a risk. Let's take those glasses off because they're creating glands. So basically, in my opinion, when you're gambling, uh, you will never have more than a 50-50 chance of winning. That is, of course, we can take all the casino games, um, and I don't really think you're gonna get the 50-50. But for example, the roulette, you can almost get 50-50. I think it's like 40 something percent, but you're never gonna get more than 50% chance of winning, right? Slots, blackjack, poker, whatever, whatever those uh, games or sports betting, whatever. When you have an educated edge to what you're doing, to what you are risking, your, let's take for example, money in this case. When you have a more than a 50% chance of winning, and you're taking a educated guess, then you're taking risk. Because if you have a product, if you have a something that you believe in, if you're doing some work and you believe in that work, you're not sure that it's gonna pay out, but either you have a calculated, educated guess on if it's gonna work out or not, or you have the extreme faith in yourself and your product or your work that you can edge your way over the 50%. So that's the difference between gambling and taking risks. Now, with all that being said, everyone um, knows that in order to become successful, you will need to take risks. Risks doesn't always have to be money. Granted, most of the time, uh, money's gonna be involved, but you can take risks on other things. You can, for example, quit a job. You can take out a second mortgage on something. You can take a chance on a relationship. You can take a chance on a business partnership. You can take a chance on a friendship. You can risk basically anything. But the easiest example will be money. So, everyone, like I said, everyone knows that you have to take risks in order to become successful. Now, you need to uh, be, let's put that in quotes. You need to be educated enough that when you take your risks, when the opportunity comes for you to take that risk, and the opportunity will come, it's important for you to not let that opportunity slide away, right? You will feel it when it comes. It will bang on your door, and you will be at a crossroad. You will have two paths. You will have the path of uh, the norm. That is, your current situation, your current life, or you can take a chance, you can take a risk. You will never ever take a gamble, right? So know the difference. Taking a risk is not the same as taking a gamble. Like I said before, taking a gamble is doing something which you have absolutely no idea on what the outcome will be. So that's never a good thing. Of course, you can get lucky. Of course. There's always someone that wins the lottery. But in order for you to become a consistent, successful person, you will have to differentiate between gambles and risks. So I encourage you to take uh, the risks when the opportunity presents itself, but I will discourage you from taking a gamble. Thank you.